Welcome to SATS. We are introducing Advanced Micro Probe Station. Unlock the future of material science and semiconductor testing with the cutting-edge SATS Advanced Micro Probe Station. Probing is essential to driving innovation in fields such as material science, solar cells, thin films, diodes, FETs, memory devices, gas sensing, and more. Our Advanced Micro Probe Station is the ultimate solution for researchers and engineers, delivering precision and reliability across a wide range of applications. Engineered with unmatched versatility, the SATS Advanced Micro Probe Station is designed to meet the most demanding research needs. It provides a wide temperature range, from -40 degrees Celsius to 200 degrees Celsius, without the need for liquid nitrogen, offering unparalleled convenience and reliability for both low and high temperature experiments. This capability ensures that researchers can focus on their testing without worrying about the complexities and limitations often associated with extreme temperature control systems. Whether you're working with materials that require ultra-cold or elevated temperatures, the SATS system delivers precise and consistent performance every time. To take your research to the next level, SATS incorporates a one-sunlight source, replicating natural sunlight conditions for solar cell and photovoltaic testing. Additionally, the system is equipped with wavelength-specific LEDs, allowing for precise opto-electrical characterization. These advanced features make it easy to simulate and analyze the behavior of materials and devices under specific lighting conditions, providing researchers with deeper insights into their performance. This combination of temperature control, vacuum compatibility, and advanced optical capabilities makes the SATS Micro Probe Station a truly comprehensive tool. The station's vacuum-compatible chamber provides a controlled environment for testing sensitive materials, while quartz optical window enables high-clarity optical and electrical measurements simultaneously. With excellent light transmission across a wide spectrum, this setup is ideal for optical investigations under vacuum and temperature. Thank you.